Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're going to do another outside the box card using the So Cool April 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit. So for this one, I am going to use the these two popsicles here, and I'm going to kind of cross them, but I'm going to do it on a background of the soft sea foam that I'm going to blend all over, and then the Old Olive, I'm going to use the dots from the stamp set, and then I'm going to use the You're So Cool, and I'm going to put it on a one of the white labels that came from the kit, and I'm going to do it on a soft sea foam background. So I was debating about whether I should do the card, do it with the, I'm just going to peel one of these off so we can see. Should I do it with them like this, or should I do it with them like this? And I kind of like it as a landscape on this one, but this is going to be a tent fold landscape, so it means it opens at the top. So we've got that set aside. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start blending the background on this one. So basically, I'm just coloring the cardstock. I didn't want the solid cardstock behind it. I really wanted the stickers to show up. So I'm just going to keep blending this. It's very subtle with the soft sea foam. I just wanted that little bit of color in the background. I want the focus to be on the stickers, the popsicles themselves. And we are going to have the dots in the Old Olive, so there's going to be a little bit of depth there. You could do the dots in any color you like. You can really pick up some of the Blackberry Bliss or some of the Bermuda Bay on there if you wanted to. So I think that's about as much color as I'm going to put on there. It's just that little hint. So now I'm just going to randomly stamp in the Old Olive all over the card. I'm just going to stamp away just to make sure. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice. So we're just going to, like I say, randomly stamp. And if you always tend to hold your stamp in one position, just turn your card base, and then you don't have to keep turning your stamp, and it looks much more random. And you can make sure you stamp off the edge a little bit, just so that it's not all confined to the edges. We don't have to do too much in the middle because we are going to be putting the stickers on there. And I will dimensionalize the greeting. So I was debating about what color to do the greeting in, whether to do it in the soft sea foam or to do it in the Old Olive, but I think I might do it in the Old Olive just so it really pops. All right, so I think that's probably good. Like I say, you could do lots of different colors if you want, whatever you like. Okay, so let's just get that greeting stamped in the You Are So Cool. Let's make sure we're inked up really well. And as usual, I put my finger in the ink, so we're just going to pop this down, give it a press, lift it up. This is a really neat set. Lots and lots of fun. So if I know I'm going to put this somewhere around there, then I'm going to peel off my two popsicles, and then I think I'm just going to place them down, one like that, and the other like that. And then I'm going to attach it to the card base. So I'm just going to take my Stampin' Seal, and we will attach it to our tent fold soft sea foam card base. Just line that up so it's even, drop it down. Oh, I really like how that really focuses on the popsicles. So I'll put a couple of dimensionals on the back here, and we will layer this up. I'm just going to pop it. Maybe I'll put it down here. I think I like it down here better. So there you go. straight up creative process out of the box for a card making use of the elements from the So Cool April 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Thanks so much, and stand by for more videos.